let us think of the New Year Day. In fact, New Year Day is the biggest illusion, what we celebrate in all over the world. Principle of truth is this: each and every moment is a New Year. Just 1 second before, everything was different, whole universe are different. At present, everything is different. Each and every moment, everything is new. My whole existence is changed. Your existence is changed. The whole visual universe is changed. Therefore, but change is such a very slow, we cannot observe easily. Therefore, what should be our aim of life? When I was imparting the Kriya Yoga classes in Canada, I remember in 1995, it was big sessions organized at one place. It was 8 hours, morning, noon, evening and midnight. After 1 month, 1.5 months, this was perfect vision. It was shared by all. That future will be the greatest scientific age. Science technology will expand and it will disturb those persons who have not decided to realize their glory, who had decided, I want name and fame, I want land, money, I want car, bungalow, I want to do this and that, I become engineer, doctor, try to find out in all over the world. You will never find that engineer, doctors are peaceful, or any leader, or any bureaucratic person, anyone, you will never find that they have real peace, real joy, what they imagine in their childhood. Therefore, time has come that a group of person, let us have the example, Kriya Yoga monkhood, they should practice to experience ultimate truth. What is the ultimate truth? Whatever science subject you are learning, physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, medical, engineering, history, geography, so many subjects. These are all the subject of Maya. In their comparison is there. What is the real subject of the life? What is called Vidya? Absence of Maya. How to understand this absence of Maya? Moment you try to realize, try to experience, there is no mass, there is no weight, there is no length and breadth and depth, there is no shape and size, there is no beginning, no end. There exists only thing, omnipresence consciousness. Then how to realize this? We have Kriya Yoga science. At least we have 3 examples. Ladi Maharaj, Swami Yukteswar, Paramahansa Yogananda, who demonstrated timeless, spaceless consciousness. Then we have the technique. Therefore, a group of persons should dedicate perfectly how to live this life. It means unceasing practice of Kriya Yoga will fulfill this dream to realize in one lifetime how to depart willingly, how to realize birth and death, both are dream. What is the truth? Omnipresence consciousness. When we say heaviness, lightness, this is also dream. This is not reality. But we feel, yes, it is true. Yeah, it is true in the language of dream. Dream is also true, but what is the ultimate truth? Where dream dissolves. And dream dissolves, you will not feel duality. You will not feel heaviness, lightness, comfort, discomfort, pain, pleasure. You will not feel birth and death. You will not feel sunrise, sunset. You will not feel winter, summer, these things. Then what you will feel? That is having no language. You can say ever new joy, ever new power, ever new peace, ever new bliss. Then how to live life in this world? There are 2 ways of life. One life you are doing work in agriculture, or you are IT person or medical person doing some business or any work. Or you are teacher, you are attorney. Whatever job you are doing, keep on doing that. Morning, evening, you start practicing Kriya Yoga. Slowly, slowly you will find your consciousness is shifting from illusion to reality. When you will be 80, 90, After many years of practice, then you will realize, yes, everything was illusion. Just before leaving body, moment you realize, yes, what is the truth? Truth is that omnipresenceness, there is no mass, weight, volume. Moment you realize this, even at the end moment, the next life will be glorified life. But if I am living in stress, that is my home, I am leaving my home, that is my family, this is my nation, that is my property, so many things are there, I am in a lot of stress, I have not fulfilled my aim of life, now I am departing like this. That is the problem. Moment you have that problem, then when I am leaving the body, next life will be troublesome from very beginning. Therefore try to remember this. Whatever you are doing, never miss morning evening practice. And for monks who are here, they should completely dedicate in the new year unceasing practice of Kriya Yoga. You should demonstrate you are ever healthy, you are ever peaceful, ever joyful, you are ready to serve others. Moment you are ready to serve others, providing the best service means practicing Kriya Yoga and helping to spread Kriya Yoga. This is the highest work. Moment you are engaged in that, you should not worry about anything. God will look after everything. This is the new year things we are going to understand it. But what is the new year? When we say now a verse in Hindi, we say verse, in English we call it year, new year. How to understand it? That is technical things. This I will explain further. Then what is the conclusion? Never miss Kriya Yoga meditation. Never miss reading of autobiography of yogi. Whatever troubles you have, whatever problems you have, never miss it. If you have fully dedicated to Kriya Yoga movement, then decide from now, unceasing practice. Practice and eat accordingly and demonstrate that you are able to serve others because you know what is the service. This is for today's message. This is very important. Let us practice double breathing, this touching relaxation 3 times. 3 बार हम श्वास से प्रश्वास में 2 बार श्वास लेते हुए अंगड़ाई ले, मुंह से 2 बार निकालते हुए ढीला करें। इस तरह से एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाएं। Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation, which is the perfect tool to fix all problems of the life. क्रिया योग में अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें, जो एक पूर्ण साधन है सभी प्रकार की समस्याओं से मुक्ति पाने के लिए।